Good morning, student. How are you? Today we will read an interesting story of a boy, Johan. The name of the lesson is Salted Crabs. Crabs means kekde. Tick the qualities you think you should have. Here some qualities are given. Tick those you should have. The first one is careful. Yes, it is a good quality. Thoughtful, it is also a good quality. Careless, lazy, foolish. No, these are not good qualities. Honest, yes, it is a good quality. So out of them, careless, careful, thoughtful, honest. These are good qualities. So let's start our lesson. In a village far away, there was a boy named Johan. Johan had a white rooster named Carly and a dog called Chai. Johan loved to talk and play with Carly and Chai all day long. He imagined the three of them were great explorers, but the people in the village knew that Johan was very careless. He was also lazy. His pet knew it all. It is a story of a village where a boy named Johan lived. He had two pets. One was a rooster. Rooster means a cock, murga yani ki, and a dog named Chai. Johan loved his pets and played with them and thought they were explorer. Explorer means to search and discover about something. But in actual, he was very careless and lazy. One afternoon, he was playing near the village pond. His mother called him, Johan, I need some salt. Go to Mickey's shop and buy 5 nice fat crabs also. One day his mother told him to bring salt and 5 crabs from Mickey's shop. How many crabs did his mother tell him to buy? 5. And from whose shop? Mickey's shop. Okay, mother, I will go right away, he said. For Johan, it meant he could go exploring new places. Johan set off to the market with Carly and Chai. On the way, some people asked him if he was selling his rooster. Carly fluffed his feather angrily. Johan was not going to sell him. He was going to buy salt and crabs for his mother. जोहन के लिए मार्केट जाना, एक नई प्लेसेस पे जाना, एक एक्सप्लोर करने जैसा था. जोहन वॉज वेरी ईगर टू गो राइट अवे बिकॉज इट मीन दैट ही कुड गो एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू थिंग्स. कार्ली और चाय भी उसके पीछे पीछे मार्केट की तरफ चल पड़े. पीपल हु वर इन द मार्केट आस्क्ड जोहन वेदर ही वांटेड टू सेल हिज रूस्टर. दिस मेड रूस्टर कार्ली एंग्री. Carly wondered about the following Chai as he chased every moving things. Johan walked ahead. Finally they reached Mickey's shop. Johan asked for some salt and 5 crabs. There was a big basket with live crabs on the floor. Carly pecked at the crab and made it angry. Chai sniffed around the crabs and one crab almost pinched his nose. All of them reached at Mickey's shop and purchased salt and crabs. The crabs were in a big basket. Carly ने crabs को peck किया. Peck means striking with its beak. And Chai sniffed, यानी कि चाय जो है वो सूंघता हुआ बास्केट की चारों तरफ घूमने लगा. The crabs were angry with Johan's pet because Carly pecked at one of them and Chai sniffed around them. Mickey put the crabs in a small cane basket and the salt in a white paper bag. He gave them to Johan. As Johan left the shop, he heard his friend call him out. Johan, what are you doing? Come and sail paper boat with us. His friends were having so much fun playing near the river Come on, Carly, Chai, let's go and have fun. Johan left the shop with 5 crabs in a small basket and salt and white paper. In the meanwhile, his friend called him. Johan was tempted to join his friends because they were sailing paper boat and having a lots of fun playing near the river. Johan followed them without thinking about salt, crabs and mother. Both Chai and Carly looked at Johan as if they were telling about crabs and salt. जोहन के फ्रेंड्स ने उनको कॉल किया कि चलो हम रिवर के पास जाके पेपर बोट सेल करें, और जोहन जो है सब कुछ भूल गया और उनके पीछे पीछे चल पड़ा। हालांकि कार्ले और चाय जो है वो उसकी तरफ देख रहे थे, जैसे कि वो बताना चाह रहे हो कि जो मम्मा ने तुम्हारे कहा है लाने के लिए उसके बारे में तो तुम सोचो। लेकिन जोहन जो है सब कुछ भूल के अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ पीछे पीछे चल पड़ा। जोहन अंडरस्टूड their caution. We will send the crabs home. I will put the salt on them. Mother will get salted crabs, he said. He emptied the pocket of salt on the crabs. Then he took the crabs out of the basket. The crabs winked at each other and started running. Now go home quickly. Mother is waiting. Turn right at the crossing. It was the last house in the lane. Johan shouted to them. Johan put salt on the crabs and took them out of the basket. Crabs winged. Winged means close and open one eyes quickly and started running. जोहन ने क्रैब्स पर नमक डाला और उन्हें बास्केट के बाहर निकाला। क्रैब्स भागने लगे। जोहन ने बोला जल्दी घर जाओ और मम्मा वेट कर रही हैं, क्रॉसिंग से राइट टर्न लेना और गली का आखिरी घर मेरा है। ओके, तो इस तरह से जोहन ने क्रैब्स के ऊपर सॉल्ट डाल के और उनको कहा कि जाओ घर चले जाओ, मम्मा वेट कर रही हैं। द क्रैब्स वेव्ड देयर पिंसर एट जोहन. दे क्विकली फाउंड देयर वे टू द रिवर एंड डिसअपीयर्ड. जोहन जॉइंड हिज फ्रेंड. क्रैब्स जो हैं वो अपने जो कर्व क्लॉज जो क्रैब्स के होते हैं ना, जो उनके मुंह के आगे की तरफ जो कर्व क्लॉज होते हैं, वो उनको वेव करा और फटाफट भागते हुए नदी में भाग गए। वेयर इज़ द बोट? जोहन हिज फ्रेंड आस्क्ड. हियर इट इज़, he said, showing them the folded white salt packet. Johan continued to play with his friend till sunset. Then he waved goodbye to his friend and started for home. जोहन तुम्हारी बोट कहाँ है? उनके फ्रेंड्स ने पूछा। जोहन ने नमक वाला जो वाइट पैकेट था वो निकाला और कहा ये रही मेरी बोट, और उसने उस पेपर से बोट बनाई। ही प्लेड विद हिज फ्रेंड टिल सनसेट and then he returned home. As they were returning, Chai heard a familiar whistle. He began tugging at Johan's trouser. Oh, mother is calling. I must hurry, said Johan. When they reached his house, his very angry mother was waiting at the door. Where are the crabs and the salt? I ask you to get Johan. Okay. Johan hurriedly moved towards his home. When they reached home, his mother was waiting at the door. She was very angry. मदर ने बोला कि जो क्रैब्स और सॉल्ट मैंने लाने को कहा है वो कहाँ पर है। The crabs could walk, so I sent them home. I put the salt on them so that they could carry it home to you. I even told them the way home, but the disobedient crabs must have taken a shortcut through the river. I will go and find them, Johan said with great confidence. Okay, Johan told her mother that he had sent the crabs home, giving them the direction. He said that the disobedient crabs must have taken a shortcut through the river and he would go and find them. जॉहन ने बोला कि मैंने क्रैब्स को नमक दे दिया था और ये भी उनको घर का रास्ता भी बता दिया था, लेकिन वो क्रैब जो हैं मुझे लगता है उन्होंने मेरी बात को ऑबे नहीं किया और शॉर्टकट उन्होंने लिया और रिवर्स से वो आ रहे हैं। अभी मैं जाता हूँ और उनको ढूंढता हूँ। जोहन्स मदर लाफ्ड, देन हर फेस बिगेन टू टर्न रेड। जोहन rushed towards the river. Carly and Chai followed him. Mother laughed after hearing his innocent explanation, then turned red with anger. Johan rushed towards the river. Both Carly and Chai followed him. और जो है जोहन जो है नदी की तरफ भागा और उसके पीछे पीछे कौन भागे? उसके दोनों पैट्स। होप यू लाइक दिस लेसन। थैंक यू।